Imagine being the proud owner of a timeless craftsman in one of the best up-and-coming historical neighborhoods in Los Angeles. Imagine coming home to a blend of classic architecture and modern comfort. This is not only possible, but within reach. Let me show you. Welcome to 3627 South Van Ness. Welcome to Jefferson Park. Jefferson Park is more than just a place to live. It's a community steeped in history. This house sits on a corner lot, and it was originally built in 1913 and completely remodeled and expanded with permits in 2024. During the remodel, so many of the original details were preserved. Those details which make craftsman architecture so unique. Host dinners in a room that has seen over 100 years of laughter, love, and unforgettable meals. Let your recipes come to life in a chef's kitchen that blends modern comfort with classic charm. Both restrooms feature double vanities and a step-in shower. The primary bedroom has an ensuite bathroom and a freestanding tub. With plenty of outdoor space and a lot of areas to work from home, this property offers endless possibilities. Thank you for joining me. Opportunities like this to own a piece of history in one of LA's best kept secrets don't come around that often.
Thank you for watching. To find out more, visit everyla.com.